It's recording.
We gotta hold on to each other, people.
Man, my days are getting fucked up. I had to clean these off when I get home.
Hell yeah.
Y'all know we can end our lives right now. We just jump into a train.
Look, we're gonna get kidnapped over here. We're gonna go into this bitch and then we gonna come out missing. Then somebody gonna find the camera. And then,
Hell yeah.
yeah, then they gonna see what happened to us.
What the hell is this?
We there? I see y'all.
What the fuck is this?
Muddy.
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 It's muddy, guys.
It was like a cage over there.
Oh shit, you heard that?
Somebody got killed over there.
You serious?
Yeah, I seen the dead body over there once.
Nigga, this ain't boys in the hood.
Yeah. Nigga, you look like a boys in the hood with your fat neck
Yeah.
ass, boy.
Keep recording.
Hell no, ain't recording. Line to have
Yeah. Yeah, get it.
Boy.
Yeah, somebody get it.
Niggas always doing that shit.
Hold it.
Bro, what the cage animal was that?
Yeah, hold it.
No.
No, I don't hold this.
Wow, y'all know like a dip out or something. This could be an easy way to run from dogs.
Dang, what are we?
What? Oh! What is this?
Dog fart. What the fuck is that over there?
Ooh. What?
What are we anyway?
It's a homeless person.
Hey.
Videotape this nigga. You wanna go fuck up his home?
Here, record this.